Hello. Yes. You welcome you back to PSSB, um, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. It's Richard once again. So you're still battling with this question. It's part 3 now. We want to exhaust all the alternative questions which can come here to give you a chance. So we are having here, it says write the name of the type of reaction 2. So what we have here is the reaction 2, where alcohol is being converted into bromoalkane. Okay, that's the reaction we are having. So what type of reaction is this one? To answer the question, you need to know. So what we're having here is the alcohol. And alcohol is turning into alkyl halide. So when you think about such a reaction, what is it? The reaction is substitution. Our OH is substituted with Br. So that's the name. The reaction, the name is substitution. Okay. Then comes the next question. Then comes this question. It says, write the name and formula of the inorganic compound Y. This is our Y here. And how do you identify Y? You need to know what happens. We're having an alcohol with OH, and the conversion is an alkane with Br, and we said that the reaction is substitution. So the question is, what inorganic compound substitutes OH and brings in bromine? The answer is HBr for the formula, or hydrogen bromide. Okay, so that's the thing. Now you have to remember that if this reaction is going to take place, if another question might come about the condition, it's a spontaneous reaction, but you have to avoid water because hydrogen bromide is very soluble in water. So when this reaction is being carried out, we avoid having water anyway because we won't have hydrogen bromide. Okay, let's continue. Then comes this question. It says, using structure formula, write the equation for formation of A from B. Okay, what's the equation? First of all, they are saying that we're using structure formula. So it's from B to A. So what is our B? B is that alcohol. So we're having C, 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 C. We are constructing the structure formula. And this is hydrogen. Then you have this one, OH. This is H. You have H. You have H. And H. So this is the structure formula of the alcohol. And What are we having here? We are having hydrogen bromide. Its structure is H attached to Br. So what happens actually is that this OH is substituted for Br. So what do we get here? You have the product. The product, let me write it here, is going to be C, 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 C. We have our hydrogens here. And we have our Br here. And the other inorganic product is, remember, OH substituted with a Br. So the other one is going to be OH. This is the structure formula for water. So this is typically what happens using the structure formula. Let's go to the next question. Then comes this question. It says, classify each compounds A, B, and C as either saturated or unsaturated. Give a reason for your answer. Okay, let's look at the compound. Let's start from A. A is a bromoalkane, and we say it is what? Saturated. Okay, we'll give the reason later. B is an alcohol, and it is what? Saturated. C is an alkene, and it is what? Unsaturated. Okay. Why do we say A is saturated? It is saturated because it does not have any multiple bond within it, between carbon atoms. So that's the reason. Has no multiple bond between carbon atoms. Okay, and here is the same reason. That's the reason. Has no multiple bonds between carbon atoms. This one says, what is it? It has multiple bonds between carbon atoms. Okay, that is that. Let's see what. Then we come to the closing part of this video, the closing question. It says, write the structure formula and UPAC name of the position isomer of A. Position isomer of A. Okay, let's look at that one. This is our A. And we saw our A as we had the structure. We had OH here, actually Br. Thank you. So this is our A, but they want the position isomer. Position isomer of A. How do you do that? It is the bromine which is going to change the position. Now you have to remember that when bromine is put here, you have not changed anything. So bromine can go here or can go there. Okay, both will give the same answer. So let's have it. So if it's C, 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 and we take this one as the position for our bromine. Don't forget that these are hydrogen. So what do we have here? We have H, 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 like that. So, and the position has changed. So this is the structure formula. So what is the UPAC name of this? It is 1-bromobutane. 1-bromobutane is the UPAC name. And with that, we are closing part 3. We have one more part to go, part 4. We would urge you to follow us to that one and we close this question. We appreciate your time. Our pledge is that you will not regret. Okay, see you then in part 4 as we close the question. Thank you.